Question 221. Describe a time you faced a significant technical challenge in an academic setting. How did you resolve it, and what did you learn from the experience? I once encountered a major challenge while implementing a new data analysis tool for a research project. The software struggled with large datasets, causing slow processing times. I organized a troubleshooting session with my team to identify bottlenecks and optimize the code. We discovered that indexing and memory management were key issues. By refactoring the code and implementing more efficient algorithms, we significantly improved performance. This experience taught me the importance of collaboration and collective problem solving in an academic environment. It also reinforced the value of thorough testing and iterative development. Question 222. In what ways do you ensure that your academic projects are inclusive and accessible to diverse student populations? Ensuring inclusivity and accessibility in academic projects involves multiple strategies. First, I adhere to Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG, when designing digital resources. I also engage with students from diverse backgrounds during the planning phase to understand their needs and preferences. Incorporating feedback from focus groups helps ensure the materials resonate with various demographics. Additionally, I advocate for using universal design principles in educational materials, such as providing alternative formats for content and ensuring compatibility with assistive technologies. By prioritizing inclusivity, I aim to create a learning environment where all students can thrive. Question 223. What strategies do you use to evaluate the effectiveness of educational technologies in enhancing student learning outcomes? I employ a combination of qualitative and quantitative methods to evaluate educational technology effectiveness. Initially, I establish clear learning objectives aligned with course goals. I then utilize pre- and post-assessment tools to measure knowledge gains and skills acquisition. Additionally, I gather student feedback through surveys and focus groups to assess their experiences and engagement levels. Analyzing usage data from learning management systems helps identify patterns in student interaction with the technology. By triangulating data from multiple sources, I can make informed decisions about technology adoption and identify areas for improvement. Question 224. Can you explain how you would design an academic pipeline for a machine learning project, including data collection, processing, and model deployment? Designing a machine learning pipeline involves several key steps. First, I would identify relevant data sources and establish protocols for data collection, ensuring ethical considerations are met. Once the data is collected, I would pre-process it by cleaning, normalizing, and splitting it into training and testing sets. Next, I would select appropriate algorithms and train models using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. After tuning hyperparameters, I would evaluate model performance using metrics like accuracy and F1 score. For deployment, I would use a CI/CD approach with tools like Docker and Kubernetes to ensure the model is scalable and easily integrated into academic applications. Question 225. How do you balance the demands of academic research with administrative responsibilities, and what tools do you use to manage your time effectively? Balancing research and administrative tasks requires effective time management and prioritization. I use tools like Trello for project management, breaking down tasks into manageable chunks with deadlines. I maintain a detailed calendar to schedule dedicated research time, ensuring that administrative duties do not overshadow my academic pursuits. Regularly reviewing priorities helps me adjust my focus based on project deadlines and research goals. I also practice delegation, empowering team members to take ownership of specific administrative tasks. This approach fosters collaboration and allows me to concentrate on high-impact research activities while maintaining administrative efficiency. Question 226. Discuss your experience with cloud platforms in academic projects. What benefits do they provide, and how do they enhance collaborative research? My experience with cloud platforms, such as AWS or Google Cloud, has been instrumental in academic projects. These platforms provide scalable computing resources, enabling researchers to process large datasets and run complex simulations without requiring extensive local infrastructure. They also facilitate collaboration through shared storage solutions and collaborative development environments. Using cloud-based tools like Jupyter Notebooks allows multiple team members to work simultaneously on analyses, fostering real-time collaboration and knowledge sharing. Additionally, cloud platforms offer robust security features, ensuring sensitive research data is protected, which is crucial in academic settings where data privacy is paramount. Question 227. How do you incorporate feedback from students and peers into your academic projects? And what tools do you employ to facilitate this process? Incorporating feedback is vital for continuous improvement in academic projects. I utilize tools like Google Forms to create anonymous surveys that allow students and peers to provide candid feedback on course content and delivery. Regular check-ins and discussions during team meetings also provide opportunities for constructive input. After collecting feedback, I analyze the data to identify common themes and actionable items. I prioritize changes based on their potential impact on learning outcomes. Additionally, I foster an open-door policy, encouraging students to share their thoughts in real time, which creates a collaborative atmosphere conducive to ongoing enhancement. Question 228. Describe your approach to mentoring students in technical skills related to academic projects. What methods do you find most effective? My approach to mentoring students in technical skills is hands-on and collaborative. I encourage students to engage in projects that align with their interests, providing guidance as they navigate challenges. I employ a project-based learning model, where students can apply theoretical concepts to real-world scenarios. Regular check-ins and feedback sessions help me monitor their progress and address any concerns. Additionally, I facilitate workshops and coding boot camps to introduce students to essential tools and technologies. By fostering a supportive environment where students can experiment and learn from mistakes, I aim to build their confidence and competence in technical skills. Question 229. What role does data privacy and ethics play in your academic work, especially when handling sensitive information? Data privacy and ethics are paramount in my academic work, particularly when dealing with sensitive information. I adhere to established ethical guidelines, such as obtaining informed consent from participants and anonymizing data to protect privacy. I conduct regular training sessions on ethical data handling for students and research assistants, emphasizing the importance of transparency and accountability. Moreover, I ensure compliance with institutional policies and legal regulations, such as GDPR or HIPAA, depending on the research context. By fostering a culture of ethical responsibility, I aim to build trust among participants and uphold the integrity of academic research. Question 230. How do you ensure that academic projects are aligned with institutional goals and priorities while maintaining academic freedom? Aligning academic projects with institutional goals involves regular communication with stakeholders, including faculty, administration, and students. I actively participate in strategic planning sessions to understand the institution's priorities and identify areas where my projects can contribute. While pursuing personal research interests, I ensure that these align with broader institutional objectives, creating a balance between academic freedom and organizational alignment. I also encourage collaborative initiatives that address both institutional needs and individual academic pursuits. By fostering partnerships across departments, I strive to enhance the impact of my work while respecting the autonomy of academic inquiry. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.